Hello guys, welcome to Automation Testing and DevOps Conceptual Training Session 4. In this video, you will learn what is build management, the key benefit of build management CI/CD tool, and the best build management CI/CD tools along with key features. So what is build management? So before knowing the build management, you need to learn the concept of CI/CD, which is nothing. CI stand for continuous integration and CD stand for two part. One is continuous development and another is continuous deployment. So there are couple of phases in CI/CD. First we need to plan, then development team will do the coding and then they will compile the code. After that they need to build and deploy the code. Once the build is happen, deployment is happen in the testing environment, testing team need to certify the code. After that the code will release to the final production environment. So that way CI/CD phases happen step by step. So automated build tool is a software that compiles the source code to the machine code. Automation tools using for the whole process of software build, deploy, creation and other related process like packaging binary code and running the automated test. So build automation tool are aimed to develop, integrate and provide a swift IT service delivery through improved communication between developer and operators. Because in the whole CI/CD process, development, testing, DevOps team will be there, right? So we want to kind of integrate the whole process with the help of this kind of tools. Automation of IT and cloud infrastructure has become a must in modern times. The rapid automation process is led by the surge of effective and helpful IT cloud automation tools in the market. So build automation tool provides the feature of an extensive library of plugin, build and source code management functionalities, dependency management, parallel testing and build execution and compatibility with IDE. So with the help of the build management tools, right, lot of extra plugin we can have. Then we can add the dependency management, right? Instead of manually adding the jar file, we can just add the dependency automatically. Relevant jar file will be added to the tool. And source code management we can do it, right? We can check the different version, right? As and when required, multiple developer can work on the code, and this tool can be integrated with the code configuration management tool like Git, so with the help of the source code management and to the repository, right, like the GitLab, Bitbucket or GitHub, where everyone can interact on regular basis with the help of the build management tool. So what are the key benefits of build management CI/CD tool? Distributing package to the non-programmer, identifying commons error early on, building and packaging for multiple platforms, testing of isolated changes in a larger code base, automation of testing build, automation of software deployment, running ad hoc commands, ordering the execution of commands based on the dependencies, improve communication and transparency in organization, capture metrics for code coverage, code complexity, etc. So the first benefit is that, right, non-programmer also can understand the whole process, right, and initial phases, like before so much code is happening, right, complication is happening in the code, right, we can just small phases, right, we can deploy the code and test it. After that we can merge the code so that, right, defects can be discovered in the early phases. And in case we are able to discover the defect in the early phases and able to fix it, definitely it will help the project to reduce the overall cost, right? So and definitely it can be deployed in the multiple platform, multiple operating system. Testing also possible with the help of the automation build, right? Also sometime we can run the ad hoc commands and order the execution of the command based on the dependency. It will, right, whatever barrier was there between the respective stakeholder, it can be minimized, like the developer, tester, the project management, the DevOps team, right, the communication gap can be reduced. And definitely lot of matrices, right, we can capture for the code coverage, code complexity, etc. After that you can analyze the code and whatever challenges is there, right, we can fix them at the earliest. So there are a lot of CI/CD build management tools available in the market. So I have tried to jot down few of the important CI/CD build management tool with the along with the key features. So whenever we are talking about the CI/CD build management tool, so Jenkins will come first because of its because of its extended features. So first is that is open source automation server, in which the central build and continuous integration process take place. With hundreds of plugins available, it supports building, deploying, and automating software development project. It's easy to install and upgrade on various operating system. It can be easily set up and configured with the help of its web interface. Extensible with huge community contributed plugin resource. It supports distributed builds with master slave architecture. It can be used to schedule build based on expression. It supports sales and window command execution in pre-build steps. Jenkins as well supports notification on build status. It can be easily integrate with the popular cloud platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, DigitalOcean, and many more. So Jenkins overall is the open source, easy to install, lot of integration is possible, right? Lot of plugin is available. So with the help of this flooded plugin, right, we can do the build management very easily, right? We can schedule the any point of time, right? We can do the automatic schedule, right? We can do the nightly schedule on the weekend also. You can schedule something so that batch will run automatically, and it will, right, testing also will happen automatically. And once that testing is done or build is successful, right, it will share the details result to the respective stakeholder. In case of failure also, it will notify the respective stakeholder. Then TeamCity will another build management CI/CD tool. So just like Jenkins, TeamCity also an open source tool which can run in a Java environment and integrate with Docker's Visual Studio Team Service, Maven, Nugget, Jira, etc. Its on-premise variant integrate with popular cloud platform like Google Cloud, AWS, VMware, vSphere, etc. It can be installed on both Windows and Linux server and support .NET and OpenStack project. It can run parallel builds simultaneously on different environment. It provides better code quality for any project. TeamCity enables running history build, viewing test history report, pinning, tagging, and adding build to favorites. Highly extensible and can be customized for using a project setting to the sub-project. Then last one, TeamCity maintains CI server healthy and stable even when no build are running. CI is nothing but the continuous integration. Then the next CI/CD build management tool is Bamboo, which is a commercial tool. So in case you want to get the license, you have to pay the licensing cost. So commercial continuous integration build server which perform action automatic build, test, and release in a single place. Bamboo can be easily integrated with popular tools or platform like Docker, AWS, etc. It supports up to 100 remote builds agent. So that is the one of the key advantage of Bamboo. It works seamlessly with Jira software and Bitbucket. So integration with Bitbucket repository or the Jira test management tool can be easily possible with the help of the Bamboo. Run batches of tests in parallel and get feedback quickly. Bamboo creates image and pushes them into registry. It triggers build based on the changes detected in the repository, pushes notification from the Bitbucket, is set schedule the completion of another build or any combination. It is available in self-hosted as well as cloud-hosted variants. Then the GitLab. Though primarily GitLab is a repository, but nowadays GitLab can be used for build management CI/CD tool perspective as well. So it's commercial tool, but free package is also available for individuals with limited features. But in case you want to get all the features, so you have to buy the license from the GitLab. It allows to trigger build, run test, and deploy code with each commit or push. View, create, and manage code and project data through branching tools is possible through GitLab. It provides container scanning, static application security test or SAST, dynamic application security test or DAST, and dependency scanning to deliver secure application along with license compliance. GitLab helps automate and shorten releases and delivery of application. It provides a single source of truth and scalability for collaborating on project and code with the large audience. Then Body is one of the another free build management CI/CD tool, right? So Body is a free CI/CD software that builds, tests, and deploy website and application with code from GitHub, Bitbucket, and GitLab. Lower failure rate after deployment. That is the one of the advantage in Body, right? Whenever any kind of deployment happening, right? Sometimes it's used to fail, but in case you are using Body, so probability of the failure can be lowered. Easy to customize Docker-based image as a test environment. Smart change detection, state of the art caching, parallelism, and all around optimization is also possible using Body. Create, customize, and reuse build and test environment along with monitoring, real-time progress and log. Unlimited history is also key advantage using Body. Workflow management with template to clone, export, and import pipelines. And Body allow every developer to release more software in a shorter span of time. So in case suppose say you need to release, right, more than 20 kind of build, right? So in a 1 month of time, definitely Body will be the best choice. Then Travis CI. So Travis CI is an open source tool for which setup can be done quickly, and it's supported in Mac, Linux, and iOS. Live build views for GitHub project monitoring is also possible using Travis CI. Deployment to multiple cloud service and pre-installed database services along with 30 plus coding language, which are the key features of Travis CI. Auto deployment on passing builds and cleaning VM for every build is also another key advantages or key features of Travis CI. Using Travis CI, right, we can run and test simultaneously on different environments. Then Circle CI, which is a commercial CI/CD tool which can be easily integrated with Bitbucket, GitHub, and GitHub Enterprise version as well. Run builds using a container or a virtual machine. To reduce the build time, builds can be split and balanced across multiple containers. That is one of the major feature or critical feature of Circle CI. Automated parallelism and continuous and branching specific deployment can be easily possible using Circle CI. Then automated merging and custom command for packaging uploading along with easy debugging, fast setup, and unlimited build is also possible easily using Circle CI. Circle CI automatically cancel any queued or running build when a new build is triggered. It supports widely used cloud platform like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, etc. Then CodeShip is another important build management CI/CD tool available in the market, which is not the free tool, but it is a commercial tool. But free package also available for individuals up to 100 builds per month, right? So in case any individual person want to use it, that can be free, but mostly for the organization, right, they have to buy the licenses with the advanced feature to get all the advanced feature. Hosted platform that support early and automatic software releases multiple times. Set up team and permission for both organization and team member with notification server. These are the another key features of CodeShip. Then seamless third-party integrations, smart notification management, and project dashboard to provide a high-level overview of user project and their health, along with centralized team management and dashboard. These are the another key important features of CodeShip. Lastly, CodeShip allows encrypted external caching of Docker image. So these are the couple of tools I have tried to list it out as part of build management CI/CD. So there might be few more tools available like free tool or license tool, but these are the 8 tool, right, listed here along with the key features are mostly used in the market as part of the CICD process. That's all from today's session. Thank you.